time for the Fanhome Magazine 25, part kit now, number 97. Hi guys, Ralph here. So part 3 now. This is 25, part kit 97. So what parts have we got inside here this time? We've got some screws, we've got a side panel for the saucer, a light blocking part, some lifeboats, a big massive window section for the secondary hull, and one of the metal sections to go on the underneath of the saucer, and some screws and one lifeboat which pushes into place. Okay, easy enough. Looks like it's just probably just making that panel, maybe a bit of fitting. We'll have to look at the instructions, don't know. So yeah, pretty easy, and let's get it debagged and ready to start. Now then, stage 97 assembly. So it looks like we take this metal panel part, I'm sure on the next one there'll be another one, and put 8 lifeboats on. 8! If you're doing this yourself and you're not doing the Mite Lane mods, please put them all in. Which way around do they go? Because this will get, the thinner part will go up, so they actually want to be that way around, okay? I don't care, because I'm doing the Mite Lane mod, which transfers over the top of every one of these lifeboats. Yes, it's a pain, but yes, it's a lot more accurate to do, and I'm happy with that. Go to mitelane.com and get your own kit, and off you go. So there's 8 in there. I want a part for the side, and I want the light blocker part. I need some screws. I'm guessing this might be another quick one as well, so AM screws for them. Always make sure you mark out your screws, what they are. So 2 AM screws. Does that go that way? Nope, it doesn't. It goes. Does it go that way? Why is there a line on there? Okay, so this is just light blocks. Hopefully light blocks everything. In a perfect world, yes, we would have all done this differently. We would have all just taped things in, glued things in, taped, glued, taped, glued. But this is a week by week magazine, well, month by month magazine. Actually, no, it's a year by year magazine now. This has been going on for quite a few years now. And looking at the future for this, it's very interesting to see how, where and what things are going on to, because there really isn't much to do. The next section is done, the saucers 90% done. Yay, looks like goodly eyes. Right, it goes in that way, does it? Yes. And it's kind of nice to see how we've all speculated how things are going to fit or how things aren't going to fit. IM screws, careful, because I have snapped one of these and had to drill one of these out. Nice and straight in, and then just leave it to cool down. It will work. I am confident it will work. I've seen videos where the saucer connects. I've seen people doing stuff ahead of me. Can't understand how they're ahead of me. I really don't. Because I did start this the same time as them, and I think a lot of, with the way it went wrong with Eaglemoss, is America got, I think, 20, I got to 23, I think, or 24. Now 23, I don't know, 22 or 20, I think it's 21, I think I got 42. And then again, the Americans got 22, and then suddenly, bang, here you go, he's 23. And then some people are actually on 27, what are we on, 25. So they're getting closer now, getting the 28. And then you're on the final stretch then. Because 29 and 30 are big builds and finally gets in the cell finish, and 31 is just nothing really. It's quite strange as a little section to put in, and then you're virtually done. And then stickers for the underneath of the saucer there, if you can see there, and then on the top as well. That's it. Oh, and there's a couple of others that go around the back as well. Looks like it might have been some sort of cock up. So, right, I need to get the saucer out, fit this in place, fit 2 screws in, which are FM screws, and then that will be that bit done. So, give it a sec. So, right, let's have a look. Cannot see. There we go. So basically, watch out for this light here because there's a little bit of cutout on that corner there. Try and lip the part of the side saucer bit underneath the lip on here so it just covers over as you're going. So a little bit like that, but then also, yeah, you need to kind of put your tabs in first, but then not, but then, okay, done this one for a while. Right, that's kind of angled. Right, so put the corner lip in here and then angle the whole thing that way a little bit. Then push in. Just feel that you are definitely held in the saucer there. One screw in here, just so it can hold things in place and not de-threading anything. Just screw all the hole. Blimey, I've gone posh. Not likely, unfortunately. Just feeling and holding and pushing in place the best I can to get as little of a seam line, well, join line as possible. I'm sure you can see every bit of that, can't you? Before, just swap and change each one because friction will de-thread either the holes or it will de-thread your screw. We have spare screws, but we don't have a spare skeleton. So that is actually looking really, really good. Kind of a bit of lip there, but I'm happy enough with that. There are worse joins around the place. And we seem to be, these parts going that way a bit. I don't know what to do with that. I think like we've always, it's a straight line almost there, big gap there, but it's where the screw lines aren't properly lined up to. One little LED out of here, which is good. And then put in, see, we can do this because I'm done on here. In she goes. That will come out eventually if ever needed, but just a push fit, it's just that one. Anyway, so what's next, boys and girls? What? What, that entire... Oh... See, we're rushing at the end. This is what gets me with this build series, is we're really, really rushing at the end to get parts done, to get this section over here done, and then the saucer bit, because this is magazine 25. We've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. We've got 5 full magazines to do, and then the last one is virtually nothing. It's just, I think it's putting I think it's Captain's Yacht and then stickers. It's not much on it. But the next one's going to be that. I didn't even use that yet. I know where that goes. And I'd like to fit that to the secondary hull. It just seems to be part, waste, time. Okay, off we go. Cool. Right, I would put on this issue, put these on there, but the Mike Lane mods, but I can't. I don't want to because, yeah. Might as well do it when this part here comes in, which I definitely assume is going to be the next issue anyway. So, with that in mind, thanks for watching. Very quick one there. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, and I'll see you in the next episode. Consider being a patron if you'd like. Give me some support, and I will gladly put your name at the end of the video. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.